Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So ugly day, ugly week in the stock market, ugly ending of last week. We already know the stock market hasn't been beautiful right now, guys, especially for us loans, people that don't go short in the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on, share with you guys my opinion, my expectations for the market in its current circumstances. So as we know, the market right now is looking bad, guys, real bad. So stock futures are flat after Wall Street sell-off stretches into third day. Stock futures was flat overnight trading after Wall Street losing streak stretched into its third day, endangered the market's recent summer rebound. So as we know, guys, the market is down quite a bit today. So a lot of people is left thinking, what is going to happen from here? Is the market about to continue crashing? Is it about to, is this the end of it? What's going on for real? So like I told you guys, everything that happened up to this point was correct with us. I told you guys, we know it was in the bear market, but I told you guys ASAP that a bullish market within that bearish market was going to happen. And that's exactly what took place in the last few weeks. Whenever we seen all these stocks going up over 30-40% in a day, 300% in a month, 200% in a month, after we seen all those things, then it went cold turkey again. I told you guys that bullish market was going to happen. What you want to do was buy while it was cheap, sell in strength. That means don't wait into the trying to be greedy. Oh, I can get more money. Just sell when things are going good. When selling into strength, you had weeks to sell into strength. So with that being said, you wanting to sell and now rebuy when it dipped the way it did. And we know the market, you got to stay on top of games because they'll try and throw confusion in there. During the times the market was on the up and up, the feds came out and said that inflation had cooled down a bit. CPI inflation data report had reported that inflation did cool off. And then they came out a bit recently and prior that inflation haven't cooled down, that it heated back up, or it cooled down, but it heated back up, basically. So we can't say it didn't, but it did, but it heated back up, which, like I told you guys, the feds like to have that on and off switch. They like to have that control, that feel, that sense, and they actually do got that 90 to 99% conviction rate with the overall direction of the market. Whatever the feds want the market to do. If they want it to go up, they know what news and know what to say to make the market go up. If they want it to go down, they know what to do and know what to say to make it go down. But whenever they lose that leverage, that power, because the market is being hit so hard, harder than, this is going down in history for how hard the market has been hit in 2022, guys. So as we know, when the market got hit so hard, these large cap companies over 70, 80, 90% from their highs, it's only a matter of time before it shoots right back up, like we had seen that bullish market within the bearish market, because these stocks was so oversold that it was no doubt in my mind that a spike wasn't going to come. Even though the market, the economy is still in bad conditions, then for the fact that people are spending less, inflation is still at all-time high, and things are still, on edge, that still doesn't matter or have anything to do with price action. Meaning that's how I knew that bullishness was going to come. And now we at a state to where the market is ready to tank and go back down further. But before it do that, I just feel like a lot of people, other people see what I see and anticipating it too. So a lot of people is loading in on the short side, and from the psychological point of the market, it's going to make the market shoot up once or twice more before going back down, guys. I know it's looking ugly, it could come down tomorrow, who say who would. Nobody knows exactly what the market is going to do at the perfect time now. But what I'm telling you is, and how to prepare you guys, is that the market is ready to fake run up again, maybe once or twice more before going down lower. Same thing with Bitcoin and crypto. Bitcoin is ready to rip up again in the 20,000s before, probably once or twice more, before going down and crashing lower, guys. I do feel like this is going to be talked about almost forever with what's going to happen and what already happened in 2022, because it ain't over yet, guys. And the only way, we could come at this video and he said, oh, I thought it wasn't over. The only way that change is if the economy change. You get what I'm saying? Employers start paying their employees way more money. People start spending money back in the economy. People start buying cars, start buying furniture, start buying houses. People start doing what they were doing before. The economy getting back on a balanced equation. If that could happen, then the market is going to change. It's going to change directions. We know it's not going to do what I planned for it to do, what we expected for it to do. So you already know, guys, that's my take on it. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. You already know. We also doing phone calls. If y'all reaching out, got these questions and all that, I answer questions, when I can. But doing everything, them long paragraphs, just give me a phone call. 15-minute phone calls and 30-minute phone calls. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.